Hey guys, it's Jess, and Nick's behind the camera, and we're gonna show you our RV. Are you ready for it? Let's go. Welcome. You have now stepped into our foyer. It is nice and foyery. If you look this way, you'll notice our living space. We are in driving mode, so the chairs are not swiveled, and we have car seats on the couch. If you look over here, you'll see our dining room. It comes equipped with nice, soft chairs and a good, sturdy table. Notice the centerpiece set for our trip. Now, follow me into our media room. Here we are in our media room. Take a look on the wall with our nice TV. Glance, if you will, over to our couch. And if you look over here, we have 2 media chairs with 1 coffee table or side table. This way, step into our kitchen. It's nice and spacious, and we have a sink. Here's where we make our coffee and our ice and our food. And here's where we store things. Come on, let me show you our breakfast nook. If you come this way, you run right into our breakfast nook. Cozy. You may know this from such things as the dining room or the media room. Come this way. We have a refrigerator. It's very mom-like. That's right, pantry. Also, pantry. And look in here, come inside the bathroom. It's not often you get a tour of the bathroom before the bedroom. There's a shower. Sometimes we have a sink and a toilet. So we're doing pretty good. Now we're entering the living quarters. Come on, this is Brady's room. This is Bailey's room. Come into our room. Watch your step. It's a big bed. We have a TV and a closet for everyone. Also, we have an ensuite. It has a sink and a toilet, so we're doing pretty good. Okay, back this way. This completes our tour. There's just enough room for all 4 of us. It's going to take us everywhere we want it to, and we can't wait. Please watch your arms and legs as you exit the vehicle. Thank you. Goodbye.